dust bathing.
What kind of noise was that?
It's the water, the wildebeest.
Yeah,
Right, but is that like
that's
a...
why they call it a canoe.
Okay.
Because of that noise it makes.
But is there a reason why
Right,
he
is
would
it
be
like-
vocalizing?
in distress
Oh
or anything?
no,
or
he's just a male. He's just communicating. Maybe he's trying to impress these females over here.
That's the only thing males do.
Yep,
It's
it's their job.
The snark.
Yeah,
Between the
yes. Quite